what's going on? This is Muriel from the Sunshine Family with 3 things to do in Costa Rica. Yes, things you don't need a budget for, that are open for everyone. Public access. No money needed to be paid. Well, if you want to know where I'm actually sitting, and if you see the waterfall, you probably already can guess this is a waterfall. But the location, etc., I'm going to share exactly where you can find it. Stay tuned to the end of my video. Before I'm going to continue and give you all the info, consider there's a great pelican show behind me. There's pelicans hunting here on fish. It's awesome. Consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. You can do that by hitting that little icon on the screen. Tap the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a new video. It's always Costa Rica related, and I'm happy to share everything I've learned myself. I moved here in 2018 with my husband Dirk, who's sitting there with my youngest. That's Nick, my son, and we also have a daughter. And yeah, thanks to all the questions I received over time, I am making videos about my life in Costa Rica in order for you to benefit from that. So, what have we discovered? Well, I'm gonna tell you that exactly. Hold on. So this is exactly where the waterfall starts to fall. Check it out. So this is where you end up when you follow the signs leading to the waterfall from location that I announced in my video. So watch my whole video to know. And if you see the rest of my video where we're looking at the water, this is where it starts. Look, and this is the view from up here, which is stunning. You can actually reach the waterfall from the beach, but also from up here. That's why I'm showing you this, so you know the 2 ways of reaching the waterfall. Alrighty, so we're heading back to the car over this little trail. So right now it is high tide, and I previously made a video when we were sitting right where the camera is at right now at low tide. So then there's this awesome tide pools here where you can sit with many groups of people, and then you can sit in that little waterfall streams that you see here in the rocks. But also at high tide, obviously, we found ourselves a spot at the ocean, and now my buddy, my son and my husband are in the waterfall. It's so much fun. I call this pura vida living. While I'm watching the ocean, you should always respect the ocean and don't be naive. So, keeping my eye on those waves. Obviously, see the waves coming in? They're quite big. So let me tell you a little bit more about the location of this waterfall. I obviously turned, so now let me see where my boys are behind me. I am facing, actually, let me turn so you can see what I was looking at. I was actually looking at the beach behind me. That's called Playa Cocolito. After Playa Cocolito, it's Playa Grande. That's not Playa Grande. Oh, hold on. Dirk was signaling me, make a picture, because people sitting on the woo on the big rock. So behind me, let me turn Playa Cocolito, Playa Grande, followed up by the Montezuma Beach. Okay, so these waterfalls are situated on the peninsula de Nicoya, so close to, that's the province Punta Arenas, close to, and this is what you want to write down, beach resort Tango Mar. So how can you reach this place? Just drive to Tango Mar and then follow the sign to the waterfall and just walk down there. You can also walk over the beach from Montezuma, but count on it a 3-hour walk. It's quite a serious walk. So that is how you reach this place. No cost, a lot of fun. You can bring snacks. Pay attention, it's a lot of climbing, so people who cannot really walk that good, it's a climb. You need to be able to climb a little bit, and so it's not handy. You cannot reach this by wheelchair, unfortunately, but yeah, like us, we can just easily reach this by climbing a little bit. It's also without risk. It's not super steep whatsoever, but and fun. So I hope that you can benefit from my video today. Come and see the El Chorro waterfalls. It is beautiful peninsula de Nicoya that I love so much, where I live. Behind me, there's a pelican show. They're diving for fish, and so this is exactly where the waterfall starts to fall. Check it out. So this is where you end up when you follow the signs leading to the waterfall from location that I announced in my video. So watch my whole video to know. And if you see the rest of my video where we're looking at the water, this is where it starts. Look, and this is the view from up here, which is stunning. You can actually reach the waterfall from the beach, but also from up here. That's why I'm showing you this, so you know the two ways of reaching the waterfall. Alrighty, so we're heading back to the car over this little trail. I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. And big PS, if you wonder what it is that I do online in order to live and enjoy Costa Rica to the fullest, go check out the description below my video to learn about my online coaching programs and education, and my ebook that I wrote, 7 Steps to Move to Costa Rica, to serve you if you're looking on how to build a business online the way that I have built it, that you can run 100% from your laptop. Okay, stay tuned and see you soon.